Madalas ba na meron ka pa ring mga negative thoughts kahit nasa personal development journey ka na? At yung mga positive affirmation hindi gumagana dahil sasabihin ng subconscious mo, di nga. Well, good news! Dahil isishare ko sa'yo yung natutunan ko kay Louise Hay kung paano i-handle ang mga negative thoughts. Whenever I remember a negative thought or a sudden thought appears, sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, that is an old thought. I no longer choose to think that way. You know the best part is, hindi makakatanggi at hindi ko kontra ang subconscious mo kasi totoo naman yung sinabi mo. You are also acknowledging that you are learning and you are in the process. So whenever a negative thought pops up, just say that to yourself. I hope it helps. See you in the next video.